Draw a line means set a limit, सीमा तय करना. For example, she drew a line between work and personal life. Corporate uses, we must draw a line on budget overruns. Drive home a point means emphasize strongly. Drive home a point means emphasize strongly. जोर देकर समझाना. For example, the speaker drove home the importance of ethics. Corporate uses, the presentation clearly drove home our priorities. The presentation clearly drove home our priorities. Drop the ball means make a mistake or fail responsibility. जिम्मेदारी में चूक करना. For example, HR dropped the ball on communication. HR dropped the ball on communication. Corporate use is we dropped the ball on client follow-up. We dropped the ball on client follow-up. Dry run. Dry run means practice before the real event. Practice before the real event. Purv abhyas. For example, the team conducted a dry run of the launch. The team conducted a dry run of the launch. Corporate use. Let's schedule a dry run before the presentation. Dull as dishwater means extremely boring. बहुत नीरस, जो बहुत नीरस होता है उसको, उसके लिए बहुत अच्छा एक idiom है क्या? Dull as dishwater. Extremely boring. For example, the lecture was dull as dishwater. Corporate use. We need engaging content, not dull as dishwater slides. Dumbfounded means extremely surprised. Dumbfounded. हैरान रह जाना. He was dumbfounded by the sudden decision. The team was dumbfounded by the announcement. Dust settles. What is the meaning of dust settles? Situation becomes calm after chaos. Means हालात शांत होना. Dust settles. हालात शांत होना. For example, wait till the dust settles before reacting. Wait till the dust settles before react. Once the dust settles, we will review outcomes. Dried in the wool. What is the meaning of dried in the wool? Strongly loyal or traditional. पूरी तरह समर्पित या पक्का. He is a dried in the wool supporter of the brand. Are dried in the wool customers trust. Do the honors means perform a formal duty. Means औपचारिक कार्य करना. Perform a formal duty. औपचारिक कार्य करना. The CEO did the honors at the launch. Corporate use is please do the honors and open the session. Please do the honors and open the session. Don't rock the boat means avoid causing trouble. परेशानी न खड़ी करना, इसको कहते हैं avoid causing trouble, को कहते हैं don't rock the boat. For example, he stayed silent to avoid rocking the boat. Corporate uses until approval arrives, let's not rock the boat. Okay, next is down to the wire. Means down to the wire means until the very last moment, आखिरी समय तक. The match went down to the wire. The match went down to the wire. Corporate uses the deal was finalized down to the wire. Drag one's feet means delay intentionally. जानबूझकर देरी करने को कहते हैं drag one's feet. Example, he is dragging his feet on approval. He is dragging his feet on approval. Let's avoid dragging our feet on this request. Corporate uses let's avoid dragging our feet on this request. Next is dress to kill means dress very impressively. Dress to kill means dress very impressively. बहुत शानदार तरीके से कपड़े पहनना, इसको कहते हैं dress to kill. Example, she dressed to kill at the conference. Our team dressed to kill for the client pitch. A team dressed to kill for the client pitch. Drop or hint means suggest something indirectly. इशारे में कहना, इसको कहते हैं suggest something indirectly. For example, he dropped a hint about promotion. He dropped a hint about promotion. Corporate use is I dropped a hint regarding timeline flexibility. I dropped a hint regarding timeline flexibility. Drive a hard bargain. Drive a hard bargain. Negotiate very firmly. Negotiate very firmly. सख्त मोल भाव करना.